Components. Elaboration of the description and components of the framework. Component 1. LangChain. An open-source framework that simplifies the development of applications involving LLMs. LangChain provides a modular and extensible interface for working with various LLMs, including OpenAI's GPT-3, Google's PaLM, and others. It offers a range of functionalities for tasks like prompt engineering, text generation, question answering, and summarization, making it easier for developers to integrate LLMs into their applications. Component 2. AstraDB, a cloud-native database service from DataStax that offers high performance, scalability, and reliability. AstraDB is built on Apache Cassandra, a distributed database management system known for its high availability and fault tolerance. AstraDB simplifies the deployment and management of Cassandra clusters, enabling developers to focus on building their applications. AstraDB provides a high-throughput, low-latency data store that is ideal for caching LLM-generated data. Advantage 1. Enhanced performance. Caching LLM-generated data reduces the need for repeated computations, resulting in faster response times and improved application performance. For example, if an application frequently needs to generate summaries of long articles, caching the summaries in AstraDB would eliminate the need to repeatedly call the LLM, leading to significantly faster response times. Advantage 2. Reduced computational costs. Reusing cached data reduces the demand for expensive LLM computations, leading to significant cost savings. For example, a chatbot application that frequently answers similar questions could leverage a cache to store responses, minimizing the need for the LLM to process the same question repeatedly. This can drastically reduce the cost of using an LLM, especially for applications that handle large volumes of requests. Challenge 1. Data consistency. Ensuring that cached data remains consistent with the latest LLM responses can be challenging. This requires mechanisms to invalidate or update cached data when necessary. For example, if the underlying LLM model is updated, the cached data might become outdated. Therefore, strategies are needed to detect these updates and ensure that the cache reflects the latest model behavior. Challenge 2. Cache management. Effectively managing the cache size and eviction policies is crucial to maintain optimal performance without consuming excessive storage resources. The cache should be sized appropriately to accommodate frequently accessed data, while also ensuring that the eviction policy removes less frequently used data to prevent the cache from overflowing. A well-designed eviction policy helps balance performance and storage efficiency. LangChain AstraDB Cache. AstraDB Cache Summary. NaN. LangChain AstraDB Cache is a component that leverages AstraDB's capabilities for efficient caching of LangChain data. LangChain is a framework that helps developers build applications powered by large language models. AstraDB is a scalable, fully managed, serverless database service that offers low latency and high throughput for applications needing to store and access data quickly. Component 1. LangChain is a framework that helps developers build applications powered by large language models. For example, a developer could use LangChain to build a chatbot that can answer questions about a specific topic. They could use LangChain to build a tool that can summarize text or translate languages. Component 2. AstraDB is a scalable, fully managed, serverless database service that offers low latency and high throughput for applications needing to store and access data quickly. For example, AstraDB can be used to store and retrieve data for a chatbot, a recommendation engine, or an e-commerce application. AstraDB acts as the caching backend for LangChain, enabling efficient retrieval of previously computed data. This means that when LangChain needs to access data, it first checks AstraDB to see if the data is already cached. If the data is cached, LangChain can retrieve it quickly. If the data is not cached, LangChain will retrieve it from the original source and then cache it in AstraDB for future use. It facilitates efficient data retrieval in LangChain by storing frequently used data in AstraDB's database. By storing frequently used data in a fast and efficient database, LangChain can improve the performance of applications that use it. For example, if a chatbot is frequently asked the same questions, LangChain can store the answers to these questions in AstraDB. This will allow the chatbot to respond to these questions quickly and efficiently. Improved performance. Caching data in AstraDB can improve the performance of LangChain applications. This is because LangChain can retrieve cached data from AstraDB much faster than it can retrieve data from the original source. This can lead to significant performance improvements for LangChain applications. Reduced latency. Caching data in AstraDB can also reduce the latency of LangChain applications. This is because LangChain can retrieve cached data from AstraDB quickly, without having to wait for the data to be retrieved from the original source. This can be important for applications that need to respond to user requests quickly. Potential for data consistency issues. If the data in AstraDB is not consistent with the data in the original source, this can lead to problems for LangChain applications. For example, if a chatbot is using data from AstraDB that is out of date, it may provide incorrect information to users. Managing cache invalidation. When data in the original source is updated, it is important to invalidate the corresponding data in AstraDB. This ensures that LangChain applications are using the most up-to-date data. Managing cache invalidation can be complex, but it is important to ensure that LangChain applications are using the most accurate data possible. LangChain AstraDB Semantic Cache. This document provides an overview of the LangChain AstraDB Semantic Cache, a system that uses AstraDB as a database for storing and retrieving semantic data used by LangChain applications. This enhances the performance and efficiency of these applications. The following sections break down its definition, architecture, role, advantages, and challenges. Detailed definition of the variable goes here. The LangChain AstraDB Semantic Cache is a system that utilizes AstraDB as a database to store and retrieve semantic data. This data is used by LangChain, a framework for building applications that use large language models to enhance their performance and efficiency. The system consists of two key components: a semantic cache and AstraDB. Components. Component 1. A semantic cache for LangChain built on top of AstraDB. This component functions as a semantic cache for LangChain. This means it stores semantic information relevant to the data processed by LangChain, such as the meaning of words, relationships between concepts, or the context of a given text. This semantic cache is built upon AstraDB, which is a database specifically designed for handling large volumes of data. Component 2. It leverages AstraDB's capabilities for efficient storage and retrieval of data. The LangChain AstraDB Semantic Cache leverages AstraDB's ability to efficiently store and retrieve large amounts of data. AstraDB's capabilities, such as its scalability and high performance, allow the system to store and access semantic data quickly and efficiently, which is crucial for LangChain's operation. Description of the architecture supporting the variable. The architecture of the LangChain AstraDB semantic cache revolves around AstraDB as its core database component. AstraDB acts as the underlying database, providing storage and retrieval capabilities for cached semantic data. AstraDB provides the foundation for storing and retrieving the semantic data used by LangChain applications. It acts as the underlying database, efficiently storing and retrieving the semantic information that the cache relies on. This architecture allows for seamless integration between the cache and AstraDB, ensuring efficient data management and retrieval. Explanation of the variable S role in the system. The LangChain AstraDB semantic cache plays a crucial role in improving the performance and efficiency of LangChain applications. The AstraDB semantic cache is responsible for storing and retrieving semantic data, enabling faster responses and reducing computational overhead in LangChain applications. This system is responsible for storing and retrieving the semantic data used by LangChain applications. By storing this data, it avoids the need for repeated computations to derive the same semantic information. This allows for faster responses and reduces the overall computational overhead in LangChain applications. Improved performance, reduced latency by leveraging AstraDB's fast retrieval capabilities. One of the primary advantages of the LangChain AstraDB semantic cache is improved performance. Since the cache stores semantic data in AstraDB, it can access and retrieve this data much faster compared to recomputing it. This results in a reduction in latency, leading to faster responses from LangChain applications. For example, a chatbot powered by LangChain would respond to user queries much faster if the relevant semantic information was already stored in the cache. Reduced computation. Reusing cached data eliminates the need for repeated computation. Another advantage of the LangChain AstraDB semantic cache is the reduction in computational overhead. By reusing cached semantic data, the system avoids performing repetitive computations. This can be particularly beneficial for computationally intensive tasks, such as generating creative text formats, translating languages, or writing different kinds of creative content. A real-world example would be a content creation tool that uses LangChain to generate different types of content. The semantic cache could store information about common content types, allowing the tool to quickly generate new content that is consistent with its previous outputs. Data consistency. Ensuring data consistency across different cache instances. A major challenge in managing a semantic cache is ensuring data consistency. Since the semantic cache may be distributed across multiple instances to handle the workload, maintaining consistency across these instances becomes critical. For example, a LangChain-powered application could be running on multiple servers, each with its own instance of the semantic cache. If data is updated on one server, it needs to be reflected on all other servers to avoid inconsistencies. This involves sophisticated mechanisms to manage data replication and synchronization across different instances. Cache management. Handling cache eviction strategies and data staleness. Another challenge is managing the cache itself. This includes determining which data to evict from the cache when it reaches its capacity, as well as handling data staleness. To avoid consuming excessive storage space, the system needs to have strategies for evicting older or less frequently used data. However, evicting data too aggressively could lead to staleness, where the cache contains outdated information. Maintaining a balance between evicting data and keeping it fresh requires careful consideration of the application's needs and the characteristics of the semantic data itself. LangChain Astra DB Cache. A comprehensive description of LangChain Astra DB Cache. Its components, architecture, role, advantages, and challenges, outlining its key features and implications for LangChain applications. LangChain Astra DB Cache is a caching mechanism that utilizes Astra DB, a serverless, globally distributed database, for storing and retrieving results from LangChain models. This approach enhances the performance and efficiency of LangChain applications by reducing redundant computations and leveraging the scalability and availability of Astra DB. Component 1. LangChain, an open-source framework for building applications powered by large language models (LLMs). LangChain provides tools and abstractions for interacting with LLMs, enabling developers to integrate them into various applications. For instance, LangChain can be used to build chatbots, question-answering systems, and text summarization tools. Component 2. Astra DB, a serverless, globally distributed database offering high performance, scalability, and availability. Astra DB is a fully managed database as a service that simplifies database management and provides a scalable and reliable platform for storing and retrieving data. By leveraging Astra DB's capabilities, LangChain Astra DB Cache offers a robust and efficient caching mechanism for LangChain applications. LangChain Astra DB Cache leverages the Astra DB database to store and retrieve cached results from LangChain models. The caching mechanism is implemented as a custom cache backend within LangChain, enabling seamless integration with various LangChain components. The LangChain Astra DB Cache plays a crucial role in optimizing LangChain applications by reducing the computational overhead associated with executing LLM prompts and retrieving results. This mechanism allows applications to quickly retrieve cached responses for frequently used prompts or queries, significantly improving performance and responsiveness. Advantage 1. Improved performance reduces execution time and increases application responsiveness by avoiding redundant computations. For example, if a LangChain application frequently uses the same LLM prompt to generate responses, the cache can store the generated responses, allowing the application to quickly retrieve them instead of re-executing the prompt. This can significantly improve the performance and responsiveness of the application, especially for frequently used prompts. Advantage 2. Enhanced scalability leverages the scalability and availability of Astra DB to handle large volumes of requests. As LangChain applications grow in complexity and usage, they often require handling a large number of requests. The use of Astra DB enables the LangChain Astra DB cache to scale horizontally and handle these requests efficiently. For example, during peak usage, the cache can automatically scale to handle the increased load without affecting the performance of the application. Challenge 1. Increased complexity requires configuring and managing an external database, potentially adding complexity to the application setup. The integration of Astra DB introduces additional configuration and management tasks, which may increase the complexity of the application setup. However, this complexity is often outweighed by the benefits of increased performance, scalability, and reliability offered by Astra DB. Challenge 2. Data consistency. Ensuring data consistency and synchronization across distributed database nodes. As Astra DB is a globally distributed database, Ensuring data consistency and synchronization across its nodes is crucial. To address this challenge, LangChain Astra DB Cache employs appropriate data consistency mechanisms and synchronization strategies to maintain data integrity across the distributed database. For instance, it may use techniques such as transactional consistency or conflict resolution to guarantee data accuracy. LangChain Astra DB Chat Message Histories Astra DB Chat Message History. None. Detailed definition of the variable goes here. Components. Component 1. A specialized class for managing chat message histories within LangChain. This class is designed to efficiently manage the history of messages exchanged during conversations. Facilitated by LangChain, a framework for building language-based applications. Component 2. It leverages the Astra DB database to store and retrieve message history efficiently. This component leverages the power of Astra DB, a scalable NoSQL database, to store and retrieve chat message history data efficiently. By utilizing Astra DB, the system gains the benefit of high performance and scalability, crucial for managing the volume and complexity of chat conversations. Description of the architecture supporting the variable. It uses Astra DB's NoSQL database to persist chat message history data. The architecture leverages Astra DB's NoSQL database to provide persistent storage for chat message history data. Astra DB's NoSQL nature allows for flexibility in storing structured and unstructured data, making it suitable for managing the diverse nature of chat conversations. Explanation of the variable S role in the system. Provides persistent storage for chat message histories, allowing for contextual conversations. This variable plays a crucial role in the system by providing persistent storage for chat message histories. This allows for contextual conversations, where previous messages are readily accessible to provide context for future interactions. This enables the system to maintain a coherent conversation flow and provide a more natural user experience. Efficient storage and retrieval of chat message histories. The system utilizes Astra DB's capabilities for efficient storage and retrieval of chat message histories, ensuring that access to past conversations is fast and reliable. This is particularly important for applications that require quick and responsive access to conversation history. Scales seamlessly with increasing chat history volume. The architecture is designed to scale seamlessly as the volume of chat history data grows. Astra DB's scalability allows the system to handle increasing data volumes without sacrificing performance, ensuring that it can accommodate the needs of large-scale chat applications. Managing data consistency and concurrency in a multi-user chat environment. In a multi-user chat environment, managing data consistency and concurrency becomes a significant challenge. Ensuring that multiple users can access and modify the chat history data concurrently without introducing conflicts requires careful consideration of data synchronization and locking mechanisms. Optimizing query performance for retrieving relevant history data. Optimizing query performance is crucial for retrieving relevant history data efficiently. This involves designing effective indexing strategies and optimizing query execution plans to ensure that only necessary data is retrieved and processed in a timely manner. Summary of LangChain Astra DB Chat Message Histories Astra DB Chat Message History. None. This section defines the Astra DB Chat Message History variable, outlining its core components and functionalities. Components. Component 1. This component constitutes a specialized database designed for storing chat message histories. This database serves as a central repository for all conversations, allowing for the efficient retrieval and analysis of past interactions. Imagine, for instance, a chatbot application that needs to remember previous interactions with a user to provide context-aware responses. This dedicated database would store all the messages exchanged between the user and the chatbot, enabling the chatbot to refer to past conversations and provide more relevant and personalized answers. Component 2. This component leverages the capabilities of AstraDB, a cloud-native database service, to ensure the scalability, reliability, and security of the chat message history storage. AstraDB provides a robust platform for handling large volumes of data while maintaining high availability and performance. It also implements strong security measures to protect sensitive conversation data. Consider a scenario where a customer service chatbot handles thousands of conversations daily. AstraDB's scalability ensures that the chat message history database can handle the influx of data without compromising performance. The reliability of AstraDB guarantees that conversation data remains accessible even during peak usage periods, ensuring a seamless user experience. Moreover, AstraDB's robust security features safeguard the sensitive information stored within the database, protecting user privacy. The architectural design of the AstraDB chat message history variable relies on AstraDB as the foundational database. It utilizes AstraDB's features to facilitate efficient data storage and retrieval. Essentially, AstraDB serves as the backbone of the system, enabling it to store and access conversation histories effectively. The architecture leverages AstraDB's capabilities for data management, ensuring optimal performance and scalability for handling large amounts of chat data. For instance, AstraDB's indexing capabilities facilitate swift data retrieval, enabling quick access to specific conversations or messages. The database's scalability ensures that it can handle the increasing volume of data as the number of conversations grows. The efficient data storage and retrieval mechanisms provided by AstraDB are crucial for maintaining a smooth conversational experience and providing users with prompt responses. This variable plays a vital role in the system by providing a persistent storage mechanism for chat message histories. This allows for the retention and retrieval of conversation context, enhancing conversational experiences. The AstraDB chat message history variable acts as a memory for the conversational system, allowing it to remember past interactions and use that information to provide more relevant and personalized responses. Imagine a customer support chatbot that needs to understand the context of a customer's query. By storing the conversation history in AstraDB chat message history, the chatbot can access previous interactions with the same customer and provide a more accurate and helpful response, improving the overall customer experience. The consistent availability of chat message histories is ensured, guaranteeing access to conversation data regardless of the time or circumstance. This means that conversation history remains accessible even during peak usage periods or system outages, ensuring a continuous flow of information. Imagine a chatbot that helps users book flights. If the chat message history is consistently available, the user can seamlessly resume a conversation even after a system restart, picking up where they left off. This variable can effortlessly handle large volumes of chat data. This scalability enables the system to manage the increasing amount of data generated by a growing number of conversations, ensuring smooth performance even with massive data volumes. Consider a large-scale conversational platform that handles millions of user interactions daily. The ability to handle large volumes of chat data ensures that the platform can store and retrieve conversational information without compromising performance or efficiency. Configuring Astra DB and setting up the database schema pose initial challenges in implementing PAY. Astra DB chat message history variable. This involves defining data models, defining relationships between different data elements, and establishing appropriate security measures. These configurations require careful planning and technical expertise to ensure the database is correctly structured and optimized for handling chat data. Ensuring efficient data retrieval for large conversation histories presents a challenge. As the volume of conversation data grows, retrieving specific information becomes crucial. The system needs to implement efficient query mechanisms and indexing strategies to facilitate quick and accurate retrieval of relevant data from the database. This involves optimizing database queries, utilizing appropriate indexing techniques, and potentially employing caching mechanisms to minimize retrieval times. Challenges: limited customization. While the Astra DB document loader provides a standardized approach to loading documents, it might not offer the level of customization required for complex scenarios. This is due to its focus on providing a consistent and user-friendly interface. For example, you might not be able to easily customize the query language or the format of the returned data. Requires Astra DB connection. The Astra DB document loader requires a functioning connection to an Astra DB instance. This means that you need to have a compatible Astra DB installation and configure your application to connect to it. This dependency on Astra DB might limit its applicability in situations where Astra DB is not readily available. Components. An elaborated description of the YAML. Component 1. LangChain. An open-source framework for building and deploying language models. LangChain provides a modular and extensible architecture that allows developers to easily integrate various components, including data sources, language models, and other tools, to build sophisticated language-based applications. Component 2. Astra DB. A fully managed, serverless database service built on Apache Cassandra. Astra DB offers a highly scalable and performant database solution that eliminates the need for server management and provisioning. This database service is ideal for handling large volumes of data and demanding queries. Advantage 1. Scalability and performance. Astra DB provides a scalable and performant database service, making it suitable for handling large amounts of data and high-volume queries. This ensures that LangChain applications can handle increasing data demands and user interactions without performance degradation. Advantage 2. Ease of use. LangChain Astra DB storage simplifies the process of interacting with Astra DB, allowing developers to focus on building their applications rather than managing database infrastructure. This abstraction layer allows developers to leverage the power of Astra DB without delving into complex database management tasks. Challenge 1. Database management. Understanding Astra DB's data modeling and query language is crucial for efficient data storage and retrieval. Developers should familiarize themselves with Astra DB's data modeling concepts and query language to optimize data storage and retrieval processes. Challenge 2. Data security. Ensuring the security and integrity of your data in Astra DB is essential, especially when dealing with sensitive information. Developers should implement appropriate security measures, including data encryption and access controls, to safeguard data stored in Astra DB. LangChain Astra DB storage. A description of LangChain Astra DB storage. Its components, architecture, role, advantages, and challenges. LangChain Astra DB storage is a way to store and retrieve LangChain data in Astra DB. It leverages the capabilities of Astra DB as a NoSQL database to efficiently store and access data. For LangChain applications. Component 1. LangChain is a framework for building and deploying language-based applications, including chatbots, question-answering systems, and more. LangChain allows developers to easily connect various language models (LLMs) with different data sources and tools, enabling them to create complex and powerful applications. For example, a chatbot built with LangChain can leverage an LLM to understand user input, access external data sources like a knowledge base or a search engine, and then use the information to generate a coherent and informative response. Component 2. Astra DB is a fully managed, serverless, and scalable database service offered by DataStax. It is built on Apache Cassandra and provides a flexible data model, high availability, and scalability. Astra DB allows users to store and manage large volumes of data in a distributed and resilient manner. It's designed to handle high-volume read and write operations, making it suitable for applications that require real-time data processing. Astra DB can be used in various applications, including fraud detection, recommendation engines, and IoT data management. LangChain Astra DB storage architecture consists of the following components. 1. LangChain application, the application that generates and utilizes data to be stored in Astra DB. 2. Astra DB client, a client library that interacts with Astra DB, facilitating data storage and retrieval. 3. Astra DB cluster, a collection of Astra DB nodes that manage the database and its data. The role of LangChain Astra DB storage is to provide a persistent and scalable backend for storing data generated and used by LangChain applications. It enables applications to store large volumes of data, including text, embeddings, and metadata, while also ensuring high availability and performance. Advantage 1. Scalability of Astra DB's serverless architecture allows for scaling the storage capacity to accommodate growing data needs. For example, a LangChain application using Astra DB to store customer interactions can seamlessly scale its storage capacity as the number of interactions increases, ensuring smooth operation and efficient data handling. Advantage 2. High availability of Astra DB's distributed architecture ensures data resilience and continuous availability, even in the event of node failures. This is crucial for critical LangChain applications like customer support chatbots, where downtime could significantly impact user experience. Challenge 1. Schema flexibility of Astra DB's schemaless nature can pose challenges in data management and querying, requiring careful consideration of data structure and access patterns. For example, storing unstructured data like customer feedback in Astra DB requires careful planning to ensure efficient retrieval and analysis. Challenge 2. Query optimization is required to efficiently query data stored in Astra DB, requiring understanding of its data model and utilizing appropriate query strategies to achieve optimal performance. For instance, optimizing queries for retrieving specific information from a large corpus of text stored in Astra DB can significantly improve the performance of a LangChain application that uses this data. For question answering, LangChain Astra DB storage Astra DB ByteStore. A summary of the LangChain Astra DB storage Astra DB ByteStore. which explains the storage mechanism of Astra DB ByteStore. Detailed definition of the variable goes here. Components. Component 1. LangChain is an open-source framework for building and deploying applications powered by language models. LangChain can be used to connect to various language models like ChatGPT, Bard, and many others. For instance, LangChain can be used to build a chatbot application that can interact with a user and provide information from a database. Component 2. Astra DB is a fully managed serverless database that provides high performance and scalability. Astra DB is built on top of Apache Cassandra and offers a wide range of features including data consistency, fault tolerance, and high availability. Real-world examples of using Astra DB can be found in various applications, such as e-commerce platforms, social media apps, and gaming systems. Description of the architecture supporting the variable. Astra DB ByteStore. Astra DB ByteStore is a LangChain component that allows you to store and retrieve data in Astra DB. Astra DB ByteStore allows you to connect to an Astra DB database and interact with it using LangChain. Explanation of the variable's role in the system. Astra DB ByteStore role. To store and retrieve data from Astra DB, allowing you to use LangChain to build applications that leverage Astra DB's capabilities. Astra DB ByteStore allows you to use LangChain to build applications that can interact with Astra DB databases. An example of such an application could be a customer service chatbot that retrieves information about products from an Astra DB database. Astra DB ByteStore allows you to use LangChain to build applications that leverage Astra DB's capabilities. This allows developers to build applications that can interact with Astra DB databases using LangChain's powerful features. Astra DB ByteStore enables the use of LangChain to interact with Astra DB databases. With Astra DB ByteStore, you can seamlessly integrate LangChain into your application to perform data-intensive operations in Astra DB. Astra DB ByteStore. Astra DB ByteStore is a relatively new component, so there may be limited documentation and community support available. While the component is still relatively new, the community is growing and there are resources available online to assist users. Astra DB ByteStore. Astra DB ByteStore requires an Astra DB account to be configured to use. Before using Astra DB ByteStore, you need to set up an Astra DB account and configure the necessary credentials for your application. LangChain Astra DB Document Loaders. Facilitating seamless document retrieval from Astra DB for LangChain. Detailed description of the functionality. Detailed description of the LangChain Astra DB Document Loaders functionality. This component enables seamless retrieval of documents from Astra DB. Components. Component 1. LangChain Astra DB Document Loaders enable retrieving documents from Astra DB using the provided credentials, database name, and key space name. For example, a user could provide their Astra DB credentials, database name my database, and keyspace name my keyspace to retrieve a document from Astra DB. Component 2. Leverage Astra DB's efficient data storage and retrieval capabilities within LangChain for seamless access to documents. This allows LangChain to quickly and easily access documents stored in Astra DB, such as articles, reports, or code. Description of the architecture supporting the LangChain Astra DB document loaders. This architecture utilizes Astra DB's capabilities for efficient document retrieval. Utilize AstraDB's powerful query language and indexing capabilities to efficiently retrieve documents stored within the database. This allows LangChain to retrieve documents from AstraDB using queries that are optimized for speed and efficiency. For example, if a user wants to find a document about a specific topic, they can use a query that searches for that topic in the document's content. Description of the role of LangChain AstraDB document loaders in the system. It acts as a bridge between LangChain and AstraDB, enabling seamless document retrieval. Enables LangChain to leverage AstraDB as a document source, facilitating diverse applications like knowledge retrieval and document-based language modeling. For example, LangChain can use these loaders to build a chatbot that answers questions based on a knowledge base stored in AstraDB, or to train a language model on a dataset of documents stored in AstraDB. Efficiently retrieve documents from AstraDB. This enables faster and more efficient retrieval of documents compared to other methods. For example, a user could retrieve a document from AstraDB in seconds, compared to minutes or even hours using other methods. Seamless integration with LangChain for diverse applications. This allows for easy integration of AstraDB data with LangChain applications, promoting versatility. For example, a developer could use LangChain to build a chat assistant that retrieves information from AstraDB, or to create a system that generates summaries of documents stored in AstraDB, ensuring robust error handling for potential connection failures. This ensures that the system can handle unexpected errors and continue to function smoothly. For example, if there is a temporary network outage or an issue with the AstraDB server, the system should be able to handle the error gracefully and try to reconnect later. Optimizing performance for large-scale document retrieval. This ensures that the system can handle large volumes of data without sacrificing performance. For example, if a user needs to retrieve thousands of documents from AstraDB, the system should be able to do so quickly and efficiently. LangChain AstraDB Storage AstraDB Store. A detailed description of the LangChain AstraDB Store class and its capabilities. LangChain AstraDB Store, a dedicated class to interact with AstraDB from LangChain. Components. Component 1. A class with methods like store and load for writing and retrieving data. This class acts as the interface between LangChain and AstraDB. It provides methods for storing and retrieving data from AstraDB, simplifying the process for LangChain applications. For example, you could use the store method to store a conversation history from a chatbot or a set of documents. For retrieval. Component 2. The AstraDB Python driver used for connecting and interacting with the AstraDB instance. This driver is a library that allows you to communicate with AstraDB using Python code. It provides functions for connecting to your AstraDB instance, executing queries, and managing data within your database. AstraDB Store seamlessly integrates with LangChain, enabling you to store and retrieve data from AstraDB using LangChain's powerful features. AstraDB Store bridges the gap between LangChain and AstraDB. This integration enables you to leverage AstraDB's capabilities for data storage and retrieval within your LangChain applications. For example, you could use AstraDB Store to persist and retrieve the context of a conversation in a chatbot, enhancing its memory and continuity. This class acts as a bridge between LangChain and AstraDB, facilitating the storage and retrieval of data from AstraDB within your LangChain applications. Astra DB Store serves as a connector between the powerful features of LangChain and the robust storage capabilities of Astra DB. This class allows you to seamlessly integrate Astra DB into your LangChain applications, enabling you to store and retrieve data from Astra DB without needing to directly interact with its application programming interface. Store and retrieve data from Astra DB efficiently, enhancing your LangChain application's data management capabilities. Astra DB Store offers optimized methods for storing and retrieving data from Astra DB, streamlining your LangChain application's data management processes. This efficiency allows your applications to handle data operations with speed and effectiveness, improving their overall performance. Utilize Astra DB's scalability, reliability, and low latency to meet the demands of your LangChain applications. Astra DB is a cloud-based, fully managed database service known for its scalability, reliability, and high performance. By integrating with Astra DB Store, your LangChain applications can benefit from these advantages, ensuring that your data is stored and retrieved quickly and reliably, even with large volumes of data and high traffic. Ensure you have the Astra DB Python driver installed and configured correctly. Before using Astra DB Store, you must ensure that the Astra DB Python driver is correctly installed and configured on your system. This driver is essential for communicating with Astra DB, and its proper installation and configuration are crucial for smooth integration with your LangChain application. Understand and utilize the Astra DB Python drivers API effectively to perform data operations. While Astra DB Store simplifies data interactions, a basic understanding of the Astra DB Python drivers application programming interface is recommended. This knowledge will enable you to leverage the full potential of Astra DB Store and perform more complex data operations. For example, you might need to execute custom queries using the driver's API to access specific data or to manage different types of data within your Astra DB instance. LangChain Astra DB Storage Astra DB Store. Definition: LangChain Astra DB Store is a storage option for LangChain using data stacks Astra DB. Components. Component 1. A storage component designed to store and retrieve data for LangChain, built upon the foundation of data stacks Astra DB. Component 2. A powerful framework that allows developers to build and deploy applications that utilize large language models. Architecture. Astra DB Store leverages Astra DB's capabilities for storing and retrieving data. Role. Astra DB Store acts as a persistent storage mechanism for LangChain's data, like chains, prompts, and other relevant information, enabling efficient data management and retrieval. Advantages. The ability to seamlessly handle increasing amounts of data without compromising performance or availability. For instance, in a scenario where a LangChain application is being used for a conversational AI chatbot that is experiencing rapid user growth, Astra DB Store ensures that the application can scale to accommodate the expanding volume of user interactions and stored conversational data, ensuring the integrity and persistence of stored data even in the face of failures, such as hardware malfunctions or network outages. For example, if a LangChain application using Astra DB Store is processing sensitive financial data, the durability of the storage ensures that even in the event of a system failure, the data will remain intact and accessible, minimizing the risk of data loss. Challenges. Fine-tuning the configuration and settings of Astra DB Store to achieve optimal performance for specific LangChain workloads. This can involve adjusting parameters like indexing strategies, data partitioning, and query optimization to maximize read and write speeds, particularly when handling large volumes of data and complex queries. Maintaining a well-defined structure for the data stored in Astra DB Store to ensure consistency and efficiency in data access. This involves designing and managing the data schema, considering the various types of data being stored, such as chains, prompts, and other relevant information, and ensuring that the schema can evolve to accommodate future needs of the LangChain application. LangChain Astra DB Storage Astra DB Store. A comprehensive breakdown of LangChain Astra DB Storage Astra DB Store. LangChain Astra DB Store enables storing and retrieving LangChain objects like chains, indexes, etc. in Astra DB. Components. Component 1. Astra DB, a serverless, globally distributed database service offered by DataStax. It provides a scalable and reliable platform for storing and managing data, making it suitable for applications requiring high availability and performance. Component 2. LangChain, a framework for building and deploying language models. It provides a modular and extensible architecture that allows developers to easily integrate different components, such as prompt engineering, data retrieval, and model execution, to create powerful language-based applications. The architecture involves utilizing Astra DB as the backend storage for LangChain objects, enabling seamless integration and management. For instance, a LangChain index containing a collection of documents could be stored in Astra DB, allowing efficient retrieval and use within a LangChain application. The role of Astra DB Store is to facilitate persistent storage and retrieval of LangChain objects within Astra DB, ensuring data consistency and accessibility. This means that LangChain objects, such as chains, indexes, and other components, can be saved in Astra DB and retrieved later, allowing for consistent access and reuse across different applications. Scalability. Astra DB's distributed nature allows for horizontal scaling to accommodate growing data volumes. This means that as the number of LangChain objects or the size of the data increases, Astra DB can automatically scale to handle the increased workload, ensuring that performance remains consistent. Consistency. Astra DB ensures data consistency across multiple nodes, guaranteeing reliable data access. This ensures that LangChain objects stored in Astra DB are always synchronized across different nodes, providing a consistent and reliable data source for applications. Schema design. Careful consideration is required to design the schema in Astra DB to accommodate a diverse range of LangChain objects. This involves mapping LangChain objects, such as chains, indexes, and other components, into a format that can be efficiently stored and retrieved from Astra DB. Data serialization. Converting LangChain objects into a format compatible with Astra DB, e.g. JSON, involves potential data loss or transformation issues. For instance, some LangChain objects may contain complex data structures that are not directly compatible with the JSON format, requiring serialization mechanisms that might introduce data loss or require special handling. During deserialization, LangChain Astra DB utils a comprehensive summary with elaborated scalar values, a collection of utility functions for interacting with Astra DB from within LangChain. This means that you can easily access and manipulate data stored in Astra DB directly from your LangChain applications. These functions simplify common tasks like querying, inserting, and updating data within your Astra DB database. Component 1. a client library specifically designed to interact with AstraDB. This component acts as the bridge between your LangChain application and AstraDB. It allows you to establish connections, send queries, and receive results from the database. Component 2. A set of utility functions that streamline and simplify common operations related to AstraDB. This could include functions for data validation, formatting, and transformation, ensuring that data is correctly handled before it's sent to or retrieved from AstraDB. Component 3. A set of functions specifically tailored for loading data from AstraDB into the document format used by LangChain. This enables you to seamlessly ingest data from AstraDB into your LangChain applications, making the data readily available for processing and analysis. Utilizes the AstraDB Python driver to interact with the database. This driver is a pre-built software library that provides a standardized way for Python applications to communicate with AstraDB databases. It simplifies the complexities of network communication and database interactions, allowing developers to focus on the logic of their applications. Facilitates seamless integration of AstraDB with LangChain applications, enabling data retrieval, indexing, and storage. This means that you can use LangChain to build powerful applications that leverage the data stored within AstraDB. You can retrieve data from the database to power your LangChain models, index the retrieved data for efficient search, and store newly generated content back into the database for persistent storage. Simplified database interactions. This translates to easier development and maintenance of your LangChain applications, as you don't need to worry about complex database-specific code. The provided utility functions handle most of the interaction with AstraDB, making it more approachable for developers of all levels. Enhanced data management and retrieval. This means that you can effectively manage your data within AstraDB and retrieve it efficiently when needed by your LangChain applications. This allows for efficient data processing, analysis, and utilization within your applications. Limited support for complex database operations. While the utilities are designed to handle common tasks, they might not encompass all the features and functionality offered by AstraDB. For complex scenarios, you might need to resort to writing custom queries or using other database-specific tools to achieve the desired results. Potential for performance bottlenecks in large-scale deployments. As the volume of data and the number of users grow, the efficiency of data access and processing can become critical. If not carefully designed and optimized, the data retrieval process can become a bottleneck in your application, impacting its performance and scalability. This might necessitate further performance tuning and optimization strategies to ensure that your application remains responsive even under heavy workloads. LangChain AstraDB utils MMR cosine similarity. Definition. The MMR cosine similarity function uses cosine similarity to measure the similarity between two documents, factoring in the relevance of the document to the query and its diversity compared to other selected documents. For instance, in a search engine, this function could be used to rank results based on their relevance to a search query while also considering how diverse they are compared to other results already chosen. This helps ensure the user gets a variety of results that are both relevant and distinct. Components. Component 1. LangChain AstraDB utils MMR cosine similarity function to calculate cosine similarity between two documents. This function, which is part of the LangChain library, is used to determine the similarity between two documents by computing the cosine of the angle between their vector representations. The closer the cosine value is to 1, the more similar the documents are. Component 2. LangChain, Embeddings, Base. Embeddings base class for embedding models used for calculating similarity. This class provides a foundational structure for various embedding models used in LangChain, including those used for similarity calculations. Embedding models transform text data into numerical vectors, allowing for more efficient similarity calculations. Architecture. The architecture integrates LangChain embedding models and the cosine similarity metric for document ranking. This architecture leverages the capabilities of LangChain's embedding models to represent documents as numerical vectors and then applies the cosine similarity metric to determine the similarity between these vectors. This process enables effective document ranking by considering both relevance and diversity. Role. This function plays a crucial role in the maximum marginal relevance (MMR) algorithm, which aims to select a diverse and relevant set of documents. MMR uses this function to identify documents that are both relevant to a given query and diverse compared to other documents already selected. This helps to ensure that the chosen documents cover a wide range of relevant information without being overly repetitive. Advantages. Advantage 1. Efficiently calculates cosine similarity between documents. By leveraging vector representations of documents, this function can efficiently calculate cosine similarity, allowing for faster document ranking in applications like search engines and recommender systems. Advantage 2. Contributes to the diversity and relevance of document selection in the MMR algorithm. This function plays a crucial role in ensuring the MMR algorithm produces a diverse and relevant set of documents. It helps to identify documents that are both relevant to the query and different from previously selected documents, leading to more comprehensive results. Challenges. Challenge 1. Potentially computationally expensive for large document sets. Calculating cosine similarity between large numbers of documents can be computationally intensive, especially when dealing with extensive datasets or complex embedding models. This challenge could require optimized algorithms or hardware resources to maintain efficiency. Challenge 2. May require tuning of parameters for optimal performance. Optimizing the performance of this function may involve adjusting parameters such as the weight given to relevance versus diversity in the MMR algorithm. This tuning can be critical to achieve the best balance between relevant and diverse results for specific applications. LangChain Astra DB ByteStore. A leaf of YAML describing each scalar value with elaborations in the context of the entire YAML. Detailed definition of the variable goes here. Components. Component 1. LangChain Astra DB ByteStore is a method for persisting and retrieving data from Astra DB. It acts as a bridge between the LangChain framework and Astra DB, facilitating the storage and retrieval of data within LangChain applications. Component 2. The LangChain Astra DB ByteStore leverages the Astra DB Python driver, a powerful library designed for interacting with Astra DB from Python applications. It provides a structured interface for storing and retrieving data within Astra DB, making it easy to manage data persistence within the context of LangChain workflows. Description of the architecture supporting the variable. Role. Explanation of the variable's role in the system. The LangChain Astra DB ByteStore acts as a crucial storage mechanism within the LangChain framework. It provides the ability to persist and retrieve data, making it possible for LangChain applications to maintain state and access previously processed information. This role is critical for enabling complex workflows and interactions within LangChain, allowing for seamless data handling throughout the application's lifecycle. Astra DB's scalability, as a cloud-based NoSQL database, offers significant advantages in terms of scalability and high availability. This allows LangChain applications to handle increasing amounts of data and ensure consistent access to the stored information even in scenarios with high traffic or distributed workloads. The LangChain Astra DB ByteStore is designed to be highly flexible, accommodating various data formats. This enables applications to store diverse data types, such as text, images, documents, and structured information. This flexibility ensures that the ByteStore can adapt to the needs of a wide range of LangChain use cases and applications. Integrating the LangChain Astra DB ByteStore requires configuration, which can involve setting up connections to the Astra DB database, configuring security settings, and specifying the appropriate data storage parameters. This configuration process may require some technical expertise and can add complexity to the deployment of LangChain applications. The performance of the LangChain Astra DB ByteStore can be influenced by factors such as network latency and the overall performance of Astra DB itself. In situations with high latency or limited Astra DB resources, performance may be impacted, requiring optimization strategies or alternative storage mechanisms.